Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Authenticator not working on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. This is where you'll normally see all your two-factor authentication codes for various services. Now, if you've been experiencing issues with Google Authenticator not generating the correct codes or the codes not being accepted, the most common cause is actually a time synchronization problem between your app and your phone. When the time on your device doesn't match the actual time, the authentication codes generated won't align properly with the servers, causing them to be rejected. To fix this, you'll need to access your phone's settings by tapping on the gear icon. This will open up your device's main settings menu where you can adjust various system configurations. Once you're in the settings menu, swipe up through the options until you locate the system settings section. This is typically found towards the bottom of your settings list and contains important device-level configurations. Within the system settings, look for the option labeled Date and Time. This is where you can control how your phone handles time synchronization. The key here is to ensure your device is using the network-provided time rather than a manually set time. To do this, simply toggle on the Automatic Date and Time option by tapping the toggle button next to it. When this option is enabled, your phone will automatically sync with your network provider's time servers, ensuring the time is always accurate down to the second. This precision is crucial for Google Authenticator to function properly since the authentication codes are time-based and only valid for short periods. After enabling automatic date and time, you'll want to restart your Google Authenticator app completely. You can do this by closing the app from your recent apps menu and then opening it fresh again. Once the app restarts with the corrected time settings, it will now generate accurate authentication codes that should work perfectly when you try to log into your accounts. The codes will be properly synchronized with the servers, and you shouldn't experience any more rejection issues. And that's it. You've fixed the time synchronization issue causing Google Authenticator to malfunction on your Android device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.